theoretical level, these two groups could work together, kind of coordinating these, while this group works out what happens here.
Yeah, the self-sabotage thing, that you become isolated from the other managers.
And this is the forum theater, it's interactive basically.
See, so many people sitting, and probably they're.
Oh, okay.
So we need to be really loud.
C2,
Self-delta.
C3.
The boss.
Oh, okay.
Mom, yes, darling.
Look what I did.
Ah, it's good.
Is it nice?
I mean, it's nice, yeah, but not good enough.
Hi, teacher. Do I have my results back?
Absolutely. Here you go.
Oh, it's an A. That's good, right?
It's good, but you can do much better. Not good enough.
It's not enough. It's not enough.
It's
Come.
It's enough.
Okay, that's nice. So why don't you freeze? Why don't you freeze? And then you come in and take her place,
Yes. Yes.
and then you disappear.
They killed me off.
Okay.
You need this, Joe. Are you gonna keep quiet, or are you gonna like, what are you gonna do? And then
Sucks.
Okay, what are you gonna do? Yeah.
I said never enough, never enough, never enough, never enough.
The inner voice.
Yeah,
So it comes into, it fades into an ending itself with the voice.
You've never been enough.
Right,
Yeah.
never enough, or whatever, yeah, just the whole, linking it all.
But what we could do is have the teacher creeps into the middle here,
Yeah.
and breaks, and you're all saying not good enough, not
And
good
then you
enough,
break
not
down
good
and-
enough. And I'm good enough! And everybody falls on the floor.
What do we do at the end?
Nice earrings.
Thank you.
You're not gonna wear them, right? Look, I'm the boss. I told you not to wear this perfume in the classroom.
The actors, you need to be kind of quite flexible, because you need to respond to the audience's suggestions to see if they can solve the problem. It's kind of like a pushing game.